Hello students, let us try to understand 45 most important questions from the biomolecule which I have selected from the Excel Academics. So dear students, let us try to go for the first questions. What the first question? Prolonged heating of glucose with HI, it gives N-hexane students. Okay, if you are heating the prolonged heating, it will give N-hexane, and this reaction represent what student? That is all the 6 carbon in the glucose is in a straight chain. Okay, all the 6 carbon in the glucose is representing as a straight chain. Now the question number 2 students, what the question number 2? You try to watch out the question number 2. Glucose react with hydroxylamine to give an enzyme which is turned with the HCN to produce a product. The product is, dear students, what they are saying, it is HCN, so it will give the cyanohydrin. So cyanohydrin, you can see that is here is there CNOH CH2OH. This is the option number. Okay, so here is how many? 3. So 3 means how much? That is 1 2 3. So this is wrong. Here is 4 5 6. So option number 1 is correct student. This is the cyanohydrin. So correct option is option number 1, glucose. So this is our glucose cyanohydrin. This is our required answer. Presence of 5 OH group attached to a different carbon atoms in glucose can be identified reacting with what student? That is acetic anhydride. So if you are treating with the acetic anhydride student, so it will give the ester, it will give students, and that represent, that is there are 5 OH groups are there. So glucose on acylation with acetic anhydride give the pentaacetate, confirming that presence of 5 OH group in the glucose. Now let us have a look over the next question. Gluconic acid when treated with nitric acid. Okay, gluconic acid when treated with nitric acid, the product is indicating presence of gluconic acid when treated with nitric acid. The product is indicating the presence of what student? So that is, if you are treating with the nitric acid, it will give the saccharic acid, and saccharic acid represent the presence of, that is 1 degree alcohol and CHO group. So that is primary alcoholic group. You can say that is option number 1 is correct. Glucose as well as gluconic acid with both yield dicarboxylic saccharic acid. This indicate the test of presence of primary alcoholic group. The structure indicating saccharic acid is, the structure indicating saccharic acid H. So see here is CH2OH wrong, and here if you see, this is correct option is option number 3, saccharic acid dicarboxylic acid. So option number 3 is correct. D plus glucose is, D plus glucose, if you talk about a student, D plus glucose, which is the D plus glucose? This is the D plus glucose, means it should be the D-glyceraldehyde. The structure should be D-glyceraldehyde. So here you see that is OH group is on the right side student. So it is the D-glyceraldehyde. So correct option is option number 2, that you have to practice it out student. This is the structure is D-glyceraldehyde. Now the next problem student, which of the following test not given by glucose students? So that is CEP-based test, it does not give student, CEP-based. So glucose fails to react with the CEP reagent. Glucose contain an aldehyde group in its open structure but form the cyclic acetyl structure. This structure is quite stable and is not broken down by CEP reagent, which is a weak base. So that is what answer. Haworth structure of beta D glucose glucopyranose is, Haworth structure. So this is the Haworth structure here student. You can see that is OH groups are, that is how it is represented. OH group top bottom top, bottom top. So this is the, what is the structure of, that is beta D plus gluco, okay, pyranose. Now the next structure, which of the following statement is correct about fructose? Which of the following statement is correct about the fructose? Fructose is obtained from the disaccharide, that is correct. It is ketohexose, correct. The ketonic functional group between 2 and 6 carbon, that is also correct. So all of these are correct, means option number 4 is correct. Next question. The glycosidic linkage between glucose and fructose in sucrose is, that is, it is the C1 of alpha glucose to C2 of the beta glucose, C1 of alpha glucose to C2 of beta glucose. So this is what is, that is 1 C1 of alpha glucose to, this is the C2 of, that is beta fructose. Okay, this is, so here what they are saying, C1 of alpha glucose to C2 of beta fructose. So that is 1 and 2, C2 of beta fructose. So that is the fructose and this is glucose. The hydrolysis of sucrose produces a glucose and fructose. The mixture is dextrorotatory. No, this is the levorotatory, student, because levo form is minus 92.4 and while dextro is 52.4. So effect will be the levo form. Hence the overall mixture is levorotatory. Which of the following statement is are incorrect? Okay, so furanose is analogy to furan. In hydrolysis of sucrose, change is rotation from dextro to levo. Alpha glucose and beta glucose are enantiomer, and okay, none of these. Okay, so correct option is none of these, student, because they are saying incorrect statement but all are the correct statement. Furanone is analogy to furan. Hydrolysis of sucrose change rotation from dextro to levo. Alpha glucose and beta glucose are enantiomers. So that is all are correct. All these are correct statement. Okay, milk sugar composed of beta D galactose and beta D glucose. This is the milk sugar composed of beta D galactose and beta D glucose. Okay, students, next question you see, the number of glucose units held with C1 to C4. The number of glucose units held with C1 to C4. So glycosidic linkage is in amylose is, okay, so C1 to C4 in glycosidic linkage, how many are there? 100 to 3000 units. Amylose 100 to 3000 D glucose units are joined together by C1 to C4 glycosidic linkage. Animal starch found in yeast and fungi. Animal starch are found in yeast and fungi. So option number 4 is correct. Hydrolysis of protein produces alpha amino acid. Protein on hydrolysis produce alpha amino acid. Among the following essential amino acids are threonine essential, histidine essential, tryptophan that is also essential, trypsin, tyrosine is not essential. So option number 3 is correct. There are histidine, tryptophan are essential amino acids. What is assertion? Amino acid behaves as a salt. Amino acids behave as a salt. Amino acid contain deuterium. So this is the correct. This is the correct, student. Amino acid behaves as a salt. That is also correct. Okay. Now we are supposed to both A and R are correct. R is correct explanation of A. That is option number A is correct. Next question, student. Deficiency of vitamin B2. That is what? Cirrhosis, digestive disorder, burning sensation of skin. So all are correct, students. Optically inactive naturally occurring amino acids is, that is glycine. It is optically inactive naturally occurring amino acid. That is what is glycine. Next one is, student, question number 21. Carboxyl group of glycine combined with amino group of alanine, then the formed peptide is dipeptide. Right, student? So carboxyl group of glycine combined with amino group of alanine, then the form peptide is what? Dipeptide. Next, if two same or different amino acid are joined by a peptide bond, the amino formed is called dipeptide. Which of the following is water insoluble? Why myosin is water insoluble, student? Myosin has fibrous protein which is soluble in, which of the following is water insoluble? Myosin is fibrous protein which is not soluble in water. Insoluble. Okay, so during the denaturation of protein, the structure remain intact is 1 degree structures. Okay, so during denaturation of protein, 1 degree structure intact with protein. Enzymes are globular protein. Enzymes are globular protein. Fat soluble vitamins are, fat soluble vitamins are stored in liver. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in liver. Okay, next one. Loss of appetite, retarded growth is due to deficiency of, that is, thiamine. So due to deficiency of thiamine, that is loss of appetite, retard growth is due to deficiency of thiamines. Okay, so that is vitamin B1. A nucleotide is what, student? Nucleoside links to phosphoric acid at 5 position in sugar, that is what is known as nucleotide. Okay, so nucleotide is nucleosidic linkage to phosphoric acid 5 position of sugar moiety. Vitamin C cannot be stored in the human body. Vitamin C cannot be stored in the human body due to readily excreted in urine. Okay, vitamin C cannot be stored in human body. Vitamin C, because it is readily excreted in urine. Vitamin C is readily excreted in urine due to water soluble nature. Which one of the following is source of retinol? Okay, so butter is the source of retinol. Sources of retinol, that is milk, butter, egg, fish and vegetables. The common type of secondary structure of protein are, secondary structure of protein are what, student? That is alpha helix model and beta helix. Okay, so option number 4 is correct. Secondary structure can contain alpha helix and beta pleated sheet structure. Curding of milk is what, student? Denaturation of protein. Curding of milk is denaturation of protein. Source of pepsin is stomach. Source of pepsin is what, student? Stomach. Pepsin is present in stomach, which convert protein into amino acid. Amylase in presence of sodium plus ion. Amylase in presence of Na plus ion increases its activity. Amylase in presence of Na plus ion increases its activity. So correct option is option number 1. The activity of enzyme can be increased by metal ions. Okay, so amylase in presence of Na plus increases its activity. Glucose gives ethyl alcohol plus carbon dioxide. So A is, so it will be the gymase. So glucose react with the gymase enzyme. Gymase enzyme convert ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. So our option is option number 4. Now, among the following vitamins, the one different from other is, the one different from others is, okay, one different from others is ascorbic acid. Among the following vitamins, the one different from others is ascorbic acid. Remaining all are B group vitamin. B group vitamins. In DNA, sugar moiety is beta D2 deoxyribose. In DNA, sugar moiety is beta D2 deoxyribose. Okay, in DNA, sugar moiety is beta D2 deoxyribose. In adult, deficiency of vitamin D causes, that is osteomalacia. Okay, deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets in children. So that is rickets in children, and that is osteo. So that is option number 1 and 3 is both correct. Means the correct option we can say, students, option number 4 we can say. Okay, that in adult deficiency osteomalacia, that is. So osteomalacia in the adults, and in children it is rickets. Okay, so which can be in adult, they are asking, na, in adult. So in adults that will be osteomalacia. So option number, what is correct, students? If you are talking about the option number 3 is correct. Now next question. Hydrolysis of maltose give 2 moles of glucose. Hydrolysis of maltose give 2 moles of glucose. Next one, beta D fructose is, they are asking which is beta D fructose. So this is the first option is the beta D fructose, that structure you have to memorize, student. R group in glutamine, R group in glutamine is, R group in glutamine is this one. Okay, so that is also we need to memorize this one. Leucine amino acid is a essential amino acid. Leucine is amino. Keratin is fibrous protein. Keratin is fibroprotein found in the hairs. Among the following non-reducing sugar is, non-reducing sugar is sucrose. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. It does not have, that is free CHO group. About an enzyme, which of the following statement is incorrect? About the enzyme, which of the following statement is incorrect? An enzyme can change equilibrium constant of the reaction. An enzyme, about the enzyme, which of the following statement is incorrect? So enzyme only increases the rate of reaction, it does not change the equilibrium constant. So required answer is option number 1. An enzyme cannot change the equilibrium constant of the reaction. Overall 3D folded polypeptide chain can be described by, that is tertiary structure. So tertiary structure, 3D structure of globular protein, that is what is known as 3D folding of polypeptide chain. Thank you so much for watching, friend. This is all about the from the biomolecules, students. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.